how to see sensitive content on Telegram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can view and find sensitive content on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to see sensitive content on Telegram, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Telegram application here. Once you launch a Telegram app, let's say you want to have access to some groups and contents but you're not being able to find them, which means you want to enable sensitive content. Now by default Telegram is actually going to disable it. So to enable it we cannot actually use the app, but we have to open our browser and simply go to web.telegram.org. I repeat, web.telegram.org, and log into your Telegram account from your browser. Once you do that, again what you want to do is tap the three lines option from the top left, and over here you want to navigate over to settings. Once you navigate to settings, if you scroll down a bit further, you'll find an option known as privacy and security. So tap on privacy and security, and under privacy and security, if you scroll down to the very bottom, you'll find an option called sensitive content and disable filtering. Now by default this is going to be unchecked. That says display sensitive media in public channels on all your Telegram devices. By default it is actually going to filter it. So if you want to disable filtering from Telegram, just turn on this toggle and check it, and once you've done that, just come back and now relaunch the Telegram app or web browser, and you should be able to see the sensitive content. This way you can see sensitive content on Telegram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.